Front wind 300 at 16, gust 33, runway 31 left, clear to land.
A Singapore Airlines Airbus A380 wide-body aircraft was seen taking off from Alice Springs. The sight has ignited Superjumbo fans' desire to fly the double-decker once it is restored to service. The Airbus A380, registered as 9 Vector Sierra Kilo Whiskey, took off from Alice Springs in Australia on July 28, 2021, at approximately 11:23 a.m. Zulu time. According to Flight Radar 24 data, it landed in New South Wales after a more than 3-hour trip. The nearly 4-year-old wide-body jet was placed in storage at Alice Springs in April 2020 due to the pandemic, and has never flown since, according to Radarbox data. Singapore Airlines acknowledged to a local Australian news site on the day of the flight that the jet was transferred for repair purposes. Despite the fact that Singapore Airlines' entire fleet of 19 A380 is now grounded, the company aims to return 12 double-deckers to active service in late October 2021, to fulfill potential demand during the post-COVID recovery. Singapore Airlines will retrofit the planes with new cabin products before resuming service. The remaining 7 jets, on the other hand, will be retired. Singapore Airlines has not flown revenue flights with the A380 since March 2020, when the carrier first experienced a worldwide air traffic downturn. As a result, the business decided to permanently reduce its Superjumbo fleet. With no local market to fall back on, the airline claimed that the type no longer satisfied market demand, due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The nearly 500-seater double-decker aircraft is complicated and expensive to build, with parts built in France, Germany, Spain, and the United Kingdom. As the aviation industry shifting toward more efficient fleets, Airbus has already begun to stop manufacturing of the Superjumbo. Airbus officially ceased manufacture of the A380 in February 2019.